तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने फाइनली डिसाइड किया है कि वो दिल्ली के पोल्यूशन से निपटने के लिए एक लॉ लेकर आएगी, लेकिन उससे जस्ट पहले ट्रंप ने इंडिया को फिल्दी बोला था।
Look at India. It's filthy. It's filthy.
It's filthy.
So this is how US president described India, filthy. ये सुन के मुझे भी बहुत गुस्सा आया। हाउ कैन अ प्रेसिडेंट से समथिंग लाइक दिस फॉर इंडिया? उनकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई इंडिया को फिल्दी बोलने की? But then I thought Trump's language might be problematic, but isn't he highlighting a problem? और फिर मैंने सोचा कि एज इंडियंस हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है, या तो हम आउटरीच करें, इंडिया को डिफेंड करें और हैशटैग चलाएं बॉयकॉट ट्रम्प, या फिर वी कैन डू सम सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन टू सी वेदर इट्स ट्रू और नॉट, और इफ एनीथिंग कैन बी डन. Some of us will find these remarks as offensive and off-putting, but we should actually worry about the air that we are breathing, because that is killing us. What's embarrassing for us is the number of polluted cities we have. According to IQ Air, which is a Swiss air quality technology company, 6 out of top 10 polluted cities in the world are in India. And these cities are Ghaziabad, Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Greater Noida and Bandwari. Top 20 में 14 cities India से हैं. The same company also says that India is one of the world's most polluted country. And obviously, if air is dirty, people will die, and that should worry us. Recently, the State of Global Air 2020 report was released, जिसने कहा कि 2019 में एयर पोल्यूशन से वर्ल्ड में 66.7 लाख डेथ्स हुई, जिसमें इंडिया में 16.67 लाख डेथ्स थी. ये फिगर वर्ल्ड की कोविड डेथ टोल से भी बहुत ज्यादा है. Not just this, the report also said that in 2019, the pollution has killed nearly 5 lakh babies around the world, of which nearly 1.16 lakh babies died in India. And these are only deaths. There are tons of other problems which come with high pollution, and that is terrifying. Let us look at the health risk associated with high exposure to PM 2.5. This can penetrate deep into our lungs and even our bloodstream. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency, exposure to such pollutants can cause premature death in people with heart or lung disease, non-fatal heart attacks, irregular heartbeat, aggravated asthma, decreased lung function, increased respiratory symptoms such as irritation of the airways, coughing and difficulty breathing. अगर आप दिल्ली में रहते हैं तो इनमें से कुछ सिम्टम्स आपने खुद भी फील किए होंगे. अब भी गुस्सा आ रहा है ट्रंप पे, या अपने में ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम नजर आ रही है? जनवरी 2019 में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च नेशनल क्लीन एयर प्रोग्राम. The target is 20 to 30% reduction in particulate matter 10 and PM 2.5 concentrations by 2024. तो फाइनली हमारे पास प्लान तो आ गया, लेकिन इसकी सबसे बड़ी क्रिटिसिज्म ये थी कि these plans are not legally binding. यानी इंटेंशन तो सही है, लेकिन इसका ठीक से इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो पाएगा या नहीं, ये कुछ नहीं कहा जा सकता. हर साल की सेम ही साइकिल है. As soon as the winter approaches, we feel something wrong with our throats. Our eyes get watery and we feel uneasiness. Every year we outrage, courts intervene, people die, and the same cycle repeats year after year. और ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते. In March, when the government announced national lockdown, उसके बाद इंडिया हमें कुछ ऐसे देखने को मिला, और उससे कुछ महीने पहले हमें इंडिया का ये सीन देखने को मिल रहा था. Thanks to the lockdown, I saw blue and clear skies after a very long time. A huge flock of flamingos was seen in Mumbai. Residents of Jalandhar in Punjab saw the snow-capped Himalayas. यहाँ तक कि सहारनपुर के लोगों ने भी 30 साल बाद हिमालय को देखा. And unfortunately, all of that has gone, and we have returned to our old ways. We absolutely cannot shut down everything like we did in the lockdown, but we can have a national plan which is effective and can be implemented properly to tackle this situation. We can at least aim for what we saw during the national lockdown. Now coming back to Trump, we can call him out for all the lies and loose talk, but our pollution is simply indefensible. What do you think about this? That's all for now. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.